like it or not, he brought recognition. There was a time in this local government, nobody could talk about Rumueme. That is the truth of the matter. Even to come out as a councillor was a problem. I know when we decided that Rumueme should be chairman of local government, it was a problem. So for what? But some of us stood firm and said, look, we can't continue this. This man has fought. He's one of those who fought for the creation of Obio-Akpor Local Government. Who stood firm and fought for the creation of Obio-Akpor Government. And we thank God, that was what led to two Rumueme sons becoming chairman of the local government, Dr. Madi and Timothy Nsirim. At least he was alive. The local government he fought for, at least his son became a chairman. Today, he has brought recognition of the chieftaincy stool of Rumueme. He has brought recognition to it. He died as a first-class traditional ruler. He's not going with it. He has dropped it. Somebody will take it. But remember who fought for it. All the years as a Rumueme person, nobody had been recognized as even a top class. Nobody. It was during his time that you are not even recognized as third class or second class, straight to first class. These are the fights he fought. He has always defended the interests of Rumueme. Rumueme people should be happy. He brought recognition to Rumueme Kingdom. He has always, whether the interest suits you or not, but first of all, is the interest of Rumueme. So I think that the people of Rumueme should in all time in their life continue to pray for God that wherever it is, will be with his creator and should have eternal peace. I want to give Rumueme people, in 2 weeks' time, you must give me the name to replace him. You must. Because it is my legacy that somebody has to replace and speak for the Rumueme people. It's important to do that. Don't just say, oh, anytime, no, I want that. First of all, it is not because you are a first-class traditional ruler. It is not because you are not a recognized traditional ruler that informs the state to give a state burial. It is because of your person and your contribution to the state. Nyenwe Nsirim has contributed so much as far as Rivers State is concerned. Nyenwe Nsirim has contributed to the political development of the state and persons in this state. One of them is me, standing before you. And so he deserves to have a state burial. Strong characters are not liked easily. Those who are not yes members are not liked easily. Those who are highly opinionated, those who can say their mind for what is right, are not easily liked. And that is the person you are seeing here.